Hey, welcome back. A growth mindset is the belief that you can develop your abilities through dedication, hard work, and learning from the experiences. In contrast, a fixed mindset assumes that talent and intelligence are static traits. People with growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn, while those with fixed mindset may avoid challenges for fear of failure. One powerful way to cultivate a growth mindset is to celebrate your every efforts, not just your outcomes. If you focus only on results, you may miss out the valuable lessons learned along the way. Every challenge you face can teach you something whether or not you succeed at first instance. Another strategy is to reframe negative self-talk. Instead of thinking, I am not good at this, say, I am learning how to get better at this. This simple shift in the language can significantly impact how we approach challenges and improve over the time. So today's action step. Take a moment to think about a recent challenge at work where you felt limited. How did you react? What could you have done differently to approach the situation with a growth mindset? Write it down and consider how you will handle future obstacles differently. Now, let us recap. Embracing a growth mindset will help you to tackle challenges head on and continually improve on it. Focus on learning and growing from every experiences and you will see lasting results in your career. Please subscribe to this channel for more insights or career coaching. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see once again.